Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on notification in Windows 11. So for this page we will go to the search option. Here I have clicked, then go to the settings. So in settings option I will go to the systems, then I can find this. See here the notification, then click here. So what is the explanation of definition notification? So it reveals that alerts from apps and systems or do not disturb this sign. So click here. So here the notification by default it has off. Now I want to turn on. So when I turn on, see here notifications from apps and other senders. So all kinds of apps here already have embedded or installed or most recent something like that. These kinds of things notification that I will get when I click on button but on system. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.